Bharti Airtel would report its Q1 FY14 results tomorrow, and broadly we expect a 3.9% sequential increase in the top line on a consolidated basis. In terms of the break-even of the revenues, we expect India and South Asia revenues to grow about 1.5% on a Q-on-Q basis, whereas Africa would grow about 7.5% on a sequential basis. Out of this African growth, currency could be a driver of the revenues, in the sense since rupee has depreciated about 3% on an average basis during the quarter. In terms of wireless revenue growth, we expect about 5% growth for the India-South Asia operations for wireless revenues, and this would be driven by about 4% sequential growth in volumes. And this would be slightly lower than that was seen in Q4, but then traditionally the first half of a fiscal is typically lean for all the telcos. On the revenue per minute front, we do expect some sort of stability to emerge after the companies have reduced promotional wastage over the past several quarters or so, though we do not see any meaningful or significant RPM improvement during the quarter. In terms of EBITDA margin, we expect overall margin to remain stable at around 32% versus 31.7% on a sequential basis. So largely margins for both India as well as Africa operations should remain stable to marginally positive on a Q-on-Q basis. Because of the rupee depreciation, we do expect some sort of forex factor to come into results, though our PAT estimate for the quarter is about 890 crores vis-a-vis about 509 crores for the previous quarter, though our numbers do not include any forex losses vis-a-vis about 200 crore loss